A drone is a gadget that can fly in the sky. It is good for taking pictures and videos from above. People can use it to capture beautiful landscapes and special moments. It makes photography exciting and unique. People can see the world from a new perspective. Drones have propellers. They can lift off the ground and hover in the air. They can move in different directions. It is very interesting. People can control the drone with a remote control or a smartphone app. They can fly the drone high or low. It is very adventurous. Drones have cameras. People can take photos and record videos. They can capture stunning views and scenes. It is very creative. People can also use drones for fun. They can race drones and do tricks. It is very entertaining. Drones have rechargeable batteries. People should charge the drone before flying. It is important to have enough power to fly safely. People should also fly the drone in open spaces. It is important to avoid obstacles and be careful. Drones are fascinating gadgets for photographers and explorers. They make discovering and capturing the beauty of the world thrilling.